Okay, so in this slide, we emphasize the critical role of ethical communication in advocacy, especially when addressing misinformation and ensuring cultural sensitivity. So let's begin with the first point. So we have here the combating misinformation. One of the biggest challenges in advocacy work today is the spread of misinformation. This can be distort public understanding and hinder progress. To counter this, we must use proactive communication by sharing accurate, verified information, and community education. It's about engaging with the public directly and continuously to build trust and dispel myths. Next, we have the cultural sensitivity training. Ethical communication must also respect cultural diversity. Through cultural sensitivity training, we help advocates understand and appreciate different cultural values, beliefs, and practices. So this promotes respectful dialogue and prevents miscommunication ultimately, and this could help create more inclusive and responsive communication environment. Next, we have also the inclusive representation. We must ensure that all voices, especially from marginalized communities, are heard and represented in advocacy initiatives. Inclusive representation strengthens communication by bringing diverse perspectives and experiences to the table. It also builds credibility and reinforces our commitment to fairness and equity. So to summarize this, ethical communication is not just about what we say, it's about how we say it, who we listen to, and how we make others feel heard. By addressing misinformation, practicing cultural sensitivity, and ensuring inclusive representation, we foster trust and integrity in every advocacy effort. Now, let's take a look at the key ethical considerations that guide communication in the context of new media advocacy. So you can see the chart illustrates the 5 core ethical principles and the percentage of emphasis or adherence as reported in the recent communication studies. And okay, as a future leaders and communicators, let's use new media not just for visibility, but for value-driven impact. Okay, so here's my references. As we wrap up this presentation, I want to emphasize one important truth. New media is more than just a communication tool. It is a platform for influence, a vehicle for empowerment, and a voice for the voiceless. But the power of digital advocacy is not measured by the number of likes or shares. It is measured by how well we uphold truth, integrity, and respect in every message we send. We must always ask ourselves, are we helping or harming? Are we empowering or exploiting? Are we inspiring action or simply seeking attention? Because in the end, ethical advocacy builds lasting impact, while careless communication can destroy trust in seconds. Let us commit to being responsible, strategic, and compassionate in the way we use media for change. Thank you for your attention, and God bless.